Good morning, students. Today, I'd like to discuss with you about the agriculture in India. In this video, please take your book, open page number 127. In previous videos and all, we have discussed about our natural resources, and the use of the natural resources and then the conservation of natural resources and all that. Today we are going to discuss about the agriculture in India. India is mainly an agricultural country. Why? Because most people, about 72 to 73% of people living in India have agriculture as their main occupation. Agriculture gives us food and also provides raw material for various industries. Industries. It's a raw material for the sugar, oil, textile, and so on. India has a favorable climate condition for growing various types of crops. Suitable temperature, water supply, good quality of seed, manure and labor are the basic requirement for the farming. I repeat, suitable temperature, water supply, good quality of seeds, manure and labor are the basic requirements for farming. So that is what about the introduction of agriculture. Now, what is an agriculture? What is an agriculture? Agriculture is the occupation through which large amount of people depend on the process of growing crops in the farm. That is agriculture. There are mainly three seasons in India. And so according to the season, Indian crops have been distributed into two: Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Rabi and Kharif crops. But remember, India has two mediatory or intermediate seasons, that is spring and autumn. So there is in the agriculture also, in the crop, among the crops also, there is another third type of crop that is called Zaid. Jade, not Zaid. Jade, Zaid, Jade crops. So what is Rabi crops then? What is Rabi crops? The crops that are grown, shown in winter and harvested in summer are called Rabi crops. Crops that are shown, that is thrown and then put in the field in the month of winter season and harvested in the summer, they are called Rabi crops. Some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard seed and all that, oil seeds. There is another crop, second type of crop is Kharif crop. Kharif crops are shown in rainy season and in different parts of the country and harvested in between summer and October. They are known as Kharif crops. They are the maize, jowar, bajra, paddy, cotton, jute, groundnut, etc. The third type of crop that we have, that is intermediary crop, is Jade, that comes in between the Rabi and Kharif, therefore intermediate cropping season. Season in the summer month. In between the summer month, that is in summer some crops are grown. Some of the crops grown during Zaid are watermelon, muskmelon and cucumber. All these are, they come under the Zaid crops. Now, type of crops, that is cropping season. There are three types of cropping season. That means that is Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Types of crops. What are the types of grown? There are two types of crops, food crops and cash crop. Whole crops are divided into two main parts. That is food crops and cash crop. Food crops and cash crop. Food crops that are directly, they are grown, people grow food crops for the consumption, for their own consumption. That means they consume, they eat, they make food out of those crops. They are the rice, wheat, millet, pulses, etc. They are the food crops. The cash crops are crops that are sold into the market. After harvesting, they sell into the market for the raw material for various industries, like sugar cane for the sugar industry. Mustard oil and various oil seeds are are grown for the oil industry. Tea and coffee for tea industry. Jute and cotton for textile industry. These are therefore they are very, very important. So there are two types of crops, food crops and cash crop. Now let's discuss about in detail in our next video. Okay.